Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from exponential equations. X square minus 9x plus 19 raised to the power x square plus x minus 56 equal to 1. We have to find all real solutions. So let's get started by writing the form of our equation. So a power b equal to 1. Here a is base, which is x square minus 9x plus 19, and b is exponent, which is x square plus x minus 56. So for this equation to hold true, we will write three conditions. If our base is equal to 1 and its power belongs to real numbers, then we will be getting RHS 1. Second case, if b equal to 0, exponent is equal to 0, at the same time a should not be, then we are going to get right hand side 1. And third case will be if our base equal to negative 1 and its power is even, then we are going to get RHS 1. So we have to pass our equation through these three situations. We'll get our solutions. Let's begin with first case. We will write here a equal to 1, and we have to make sure b should be real number. So this is our a, and here we will write b. Let's put a equal to 1. So x square minus 9x plus 19 equal to 1. Let's write all the terms in left hand side. X square minus 9x, 19 minus 1 is 18 equal to 0. Now we can factorize this quadratic equation. So we will write or split our middle term minus 9x as minus 3x minus 6x plus 18 equal to 0. Now from first two terms we have x common. So we will write x minus 3 in the bracket. From last two terms we can take minus 6 common out. So we will write here x minus 3 once again in the bracket equal to 0. So we have factorization x minus 3 times x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule. So we will write here x equal to 3, x equal to 6. Now we have to check b should belong to real number at these x values. So we will calculate b3, it should be real, and b6, both values should be real. So let us find b3. So x square plus x minus 56. We'll write 3 square plus 3 minus 56. Value will be equal to 9 plus 3, 12 minus 56 minus 44, which is real number. Now we will check b of 6. So we will write here 6 square plus 6 minus 56. 36 plus 6, 42 minus 56 minus 14 belongs to real number. So our solutions x equal to 3 and x equal to 6 are correct solutions as per condition. Now case number 2. Case number 2 is power is 0. At the same time, a should not be 0. So we'll put power 0. Here we have b. So we'll write x square plus x minus 56 equal to 0. Now we will factorize quadratic equation once again. So we can write x as 8x minus 7x minus 56 equal to 0. Now from first two terms x is common, we will write x plus 8 in the bracket. From last two terms we can take minus 7 common out, so we will get x plus 8 in the bracket equal to 0. Now x plus 8 is overall common. Then in other bracket we will be writing x minus 7 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule and we will get x equal to 7 and x equal to negative 8. Now we have to check a of 7. This should not be 0 and a of minus 8 should not be 0. So let's check a of 7 first. Here is our a. So we will write 7 square minus 9 times 7 plus 19. So we will write value will be 49 minus 63 plus 19. 49 plus 19 is 68. 68 minus 63 is 5, which is non-zero number. Now we will check a minus 8 also. So we will write here minus 8 whole square minus 9 times minus 8 plus 19. So here we will write 64 plus 72 plus 19. All the three numbers are positive numbers. For sure we are not going to get value 0. So our solution 7 and minus 8 both are true. Now case number 3. Here we will write base equal to negative 1 with even power. So b should be even number. So we are going to put a equal to negative 1. Here we have a. So we'll write here x square minus 9x plus 19 equal to negative 1. Write all the terms in left hand side. X square minus 9x, 19 plus 1 is 20 equal to 0. Now we can split minus 9x as minus 4x minus 5x. We have plus 20 equal to 0. Now from first two terms x is common. We will get x minus 4 in the bracket. From next two terms minus 5 is common. We will get x minus 4 in the bracket equal to 0. So we will take x minus 4 common out. In other bracket we will write x minus 5 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we can write x would be 4, x would be 5. Now we have to check b should be even. So we will calculate b4, it should be even number, and b5 should be even number. Okay, let's check b4. So we will write here 4 square, exponent is our b. So we'll write 4 square plus 4 minus 56. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 minus 56 is minus 36, which is even number. Now we will check b of 5 also. So we are going to write here 5 is square plus 5 minus 56. This time we will get 25 plus 5, 30 minus 56 minus 26. Again we have even number. Now we will conclude our answer. Let me write here. From first case, we had two x values, x equal to 3 and x equal to 6. From second case, we had x7 and x minus 8. And from third case, we have 4 and 5. So we will write here 6 solutions, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and negative 8. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.